Hello guys, today we're going through Leetcode question to sum. Given an array of integers, nums, and integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input will have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. For example, nums 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target is 9. The output will be 0, 1 because 2 plus 7 is 9, and we know the indices is 0 and 1. So for this, we'll use the one-pass hash table approach. So first, we create a dictionary to keep track its value and index. We call it hash map. Now we run a for loop to iterate every number in the array. Why we use range here? Because we know, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and range is only we exclude the last number, so 3, and we know index start from 0, so this is good. So in here we create a variable called complement. Create a variable called complement, and it will add up to the target number. So for that we will say complement is here, and then we know it has to add up to target, so target minus the current index number nums I. So they will be the key, and this is, for example, target is 9, so use the key here, and then so we see if complement already exists in the dictionary. If yes, return indices for both value. So we know in here, if complement in hash map return, we want it to be in this format, so we have to do it like this, and then bi, and then we know hash map complement. That will return the indices for both values, because we know complement will be the key, and then hash map will access the key and given the value back. So this is good. If not, we will add it to the store the current number in the hash map. So we do hash map and store the current index. Let's try to run this. Nice, it works. Thank you for listening, and I hope my video helped you.